In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales orders from CRM in Zoho Inventory. If you've ever tried to create a sales order in Zoho Inventory directly from Zoho CRM, you'll know it isn't available out of the box. The good news is, you can get the same result by syncing the two apps, and, if you want full automation, by using Zoho's integration tools. Let's start with the native connection. In Zoho Inventory, head to Settings, then Integrations and Marketplace, and open Zoho Apps. Click Connect next to Zoho CRM, choose your CRM organization, and save. After connecting, make sure you enable Sync Transaction Modules. This is the key switch that allows transactions like sales orders to move from CRM to inventory. Once this sync is active, your customers and contacts will flow from CRM into inventory. Items can stay aligned between both systems, and the sales orders you create in CRM will sync into Zoho Inventory. Just remember, with the native sync, you still create the sales order in CRM first, and then it appears in inventory as long as the integration and the transaction sync are turned on. A quick tip here. After turning on sync, create a small test order in CRM and confirm it shows up correctly in inventory, including the right customer, items, and amounts. If you want true hands-off automation, use Zoho Flow. Think of Zoho Flow as a bridge that watches for events in one app and performs actions in another. You'll set a trigger and an action, then map the fields. Choose the trigger, New Sales Order in Zoho CRM. For the action, pick Create Sales Order in Zoho Inventory. Now map the fields so everything lines up. Customer information, products, quantities, and prices. Save and activate the flow. From now on, whenever a sales order is saved in CRM, Zoho Flow will automatically create the corresponding sales order in inventory without any manual export or import. To set this up, go to the Zoho Flow website, pick Zoho CRM as the trigger app, and watch for new sales orders. Choose Zoho Inventory as the action app with Create Sales Order. Complete your field mappings, then save and enable. For best results, test with a single sample order and review taxes, currency, and item identifiers so your pricing and stock stay accurate. Use the native sync if you're comfortable creating orders in CRM and letting them appear in inventory. Choose Zoho Flow if your sales team lives in CRM and you want inventory to always stay current with zero duplication.